Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Beverly Stunning Creations is all about saving money while creating beautiful things for your home, events, occasions, and even for sale while saving your money. And I mostly use Dollar Tree products as well as Goodwill and Amazon. Now, in this DIY, we are going to be using some of these Dollar Tree mirror towels. Now, they do have them in different sizes. They actually have the larger ones, which are 10 millimeters, I believe. And these are the 5 by 5 millimeters. I'll get some next time and show you guys, but I grabbed a few packs and I left some behind. I didn't take them all, so yeah, this is just a few packs. I also seen these pumpkins at Dollar Tree. They actually had 3 different ones. I chose these 2. Now what I want to do is actually try and put these tiles on these pumpkins. This is something I've never done, so we're going to give it a try. Before we get started, I'm going to take my gold metallic spray paint. I have this in silver as well. So what I'm going to do is spray paint this one gold. I do like the polka dots. Dollar Tree is really stepping up its game lately. But yeah, I'm going to paint this one silver. So I'm going to do that and then come back and get on with the DIY. Okay guys, so I'm back with my 2 pumpkins. After I spray painted this one, I put some clear lacquer on top. This one I end up using just some acrylic paint. I put some clear lacquer on this one as well. So now, I didn't get any gold mirror towels from Dollar Tree for this one, but I do have some that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and they were really inexpensive as well. So we're going to go ahead and do the silver. Again, I hope this works out. I've never done this before, so I guess we would go like row by row. This is probably going to be a little time consuming. And normally I would add an extra layer of adhesive. I just want to try this and see how it works. Seems to be doing okay so far. I'm just basically putting the tiles wherever I see that they fit. Well, looking pretty good. So here, as you can see, we are pretty much near the bottom of this particular pumpkin. But as I turn it, you'll see that I have more space. So all I need to do is just add that extra row of mirror tiles. So let's get going. The more you go, the easier it gets. I'm excited about doing the gold one now. I think I even have some rose gold mirror towel, but I would need to go and get another pumpkin. So far I've used 1 sheet. I'm 1 row into my 2nd sheet. Okay, so this is what the bottom looks like. When you hold it down like that, you won't be able to see that. Isn't that pretty? Guys, it worked out perfect. It's easier than I thought it would be. We're going to come back and address the stem later. But for now, I'm going to move this aside. This is the gold mirror towel that I found at Hobby Lobby. And it's only $3.79. They have it in rose gold. And they have it in regular mirror as well. So I'm going to do the same thing. Just go ahead and cut it 1 row at a time. This pumpkin is shaped differently, so hopefully it goes as smooth as the first one went. We're going to do the same thing, start right next to the stem. This is the gold pumpkin. Look at that, isn't it pretty? Now I'm trying to decide if I want to use rhinestones or glitter. I think the rhinestones might have a bigger impact. So let me grab my rhinestones and come back. I have a jar of gold rhinestones and I've already laid some out. I have my rhinestone picker tool. Rather than use hot glue, I'm going to use my UV resin. Normally I use hot glue with rhinestones because other strong glues eat away at the back and it makes the rhinestone dull. So I like to use hot glue, but this time we're going to use UV resin, which will not affect the bling. So let's get started. I have my UV resin, and I'm just going to follow these little lines here. Just like that, and they're already on there. So now I'm going to go to the next section. And I have this large one that I want to go ahead and put on top. Now I think I'm going to go in with some gold glitter and resin just to go between here. I think that'll give it a little bit more interest. I have this tiny cup and I have this champagne gold glitter. I'm just going to put a little bit in there. And now I'll put some resin on the inside. And then I'm just going to use this little tool to put it on my stem. And now I'll just hit it with the UV light. And that's what we have. I don't know if I'm going to add a leaf or not. We'll see. So now let's get back to the regular mirror towel. This is what it looks like after the resin and glitter dried. So now I'm just going to use some of this, I like to call it diamond bling, to accent it. I already have some strips cut. Just want to trim this up. And let's start right here on the front. And I'm just following the curve of the stem. Just like that. So I decided to ride back to Dollar Tree to pick up something else that I want to display with my pumpkins. So we are going to have a happy hollow bling. We're going to use some more of the 10 millimeters to decorate my ghost. Look, and it lights up. It's so cool. I'll let you guys see what it looks like in the dark. But we are going to try and bling him out and display him with the pumpkins. Happy hollow bling. So let's just get started. Go ahead and remove this. I'm not going to concern myself about painting this one silver. I could, but I'm just going to go ahead and go in with the mirror towel. Let's turn this off. So I have some here ready. So again, I'm just going to cut off one single row and start that way. I'll try not to cut up my paper like I did before. I put in one in the middle and go that way. It may not be perfect. Again, this is my first time. I'm learning as I go. I'm just doing what makes sense to me. And now I'm just gonna start curving it in a circular motion. I think I have like some extra small mirror pieces. I'll come back in later and fill that in. Alright, so let's just keep going around. And I'm just going to continue to go around. Okay, so what I've learned is I should have went around the eyes and the mouth first before adding the other towels. I actually do have some smaller pieces that I'm going to try and fit in those little open spaces. If not, I might just go in with some gray paint. But yeah, I like the way it's looking so far. Isn't that cute? Okay, so I'm just going to continue to go around. So I'm just going to continue to go down and then I'll come back. So this is where I'm at so far. Now that I've done this, I have an idea on pretty much how to do things. So like the eyes, you would go around that eye first, even though you're going to have some openings, okay? But you would do that and then just go around the mouth and then just go from inside out. And with every sheet of mirror towel, there is always one that's a little bit thinner. And so I always try and keep that thin piece just to fit in smaller places. So now I need to do the arms. Now if you don't want to do the arms, you can choose to put glitter on them if you want to. Like that. I think I can fit a piece in there. Then maybe I can go here with 3. Okay, I got a piece right in there. I'll do the same thing on the back. I'm gonna put one more row right here and then come back. So this is what it's gonna look like. Here's the back. That's the back of the arm. So I'm gonna do this side off camera. Come back and put it on display with both pumpkins and let you guys see what it looks like. I think my 2 pumpkins turned out absolutely beautiful. I'm really surprised at how easy it was to create these. I made these for my Happy Hallow Bling, but honestly, I can display these 2 pumpkins all year long. After I teamed them up with my Studio 54 Ghost, I had a spooky Hallow Bling presentation. They are absolutely glamtabulous. And remember that these are all made using items from Dollar Tree. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please remember to leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. It's absolutely free. Thank you so much for watching.